As per our torrential slide cost expectation, the cost of AVAX is anticipated to increment by $0.470962 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $9.71 by September 25, 2023, or so they certainly thought. In the event that you are looking for torrential slide market conjecture, examination, or cost expectation, you presumably essentially need to know where the cost of torrential slide AVAX may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt and especially anticipate future cost developments. As a matter of fact, this value expectation is pointed toward noting a large portion of prettier inquiries, which truly is very critical. Will torrential slide AVAX for the most part recover its all-time high in an unobtrusive way? What will torrential slide be especially worth, especially 1 month from now? Amazingly, is currently the perfect opportunity to purchase torrential slide. Is torrential slide as of now giving bullish or negative indications? In this torrential slide cost expectation conjecture, we will process different AVAX specialized markers to sort of anticipate the cost of torrential slide. Torrential slide AVAX value expectations throughout the course of recent days. Torrential slide basically has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 0.53%. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the very 1 week from now, as financial backers sort of make the most of this plunge as a chance to purchase AVAX in an unpretentious manner. Underneath you can see the torrential slide hourly, everyday, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations, which is genuinely huge. These forecasts plan to provide you with a sign of what torrential slide will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week, and 1 month from now. Torrential slide AVAX verifiable cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of torrential slide is $9.23. And it is as of now position number 21 out of all digital currencies. How much stockpile at present available for use for torrential slide is 353,972,307, with an all-out market capitalization of $3,277,755,055. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of torrential slide is expanded by 0.25%. In opposition to mainstream thinking, torrential slide struggles with picking up speed throughout the course of recent days, down 0.53% in an unpretentious way. AVAX is giving negative indications this week, presently could in a real sense be a generally excellent chance to contribute in the event that you are considering purchasing torrential slide. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of AVAX explicitly dropped by 13.93%. Decreasing its past worth of $10.73 by $1.49. This current downtrend implies that torrential slide is in plunge at the present time. The cost of torrential slide has dropped by 18.58% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $2.11 from its past worth of $11.34 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Our torrential slide market figures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which examine different specialized pointers, for example, the essentially relative strength list, RSI, moving most certainly normal intermingling difference, MACD moving normal, MAMA normal genuine reach ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to really be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future price tags of torrential slide explicitly is a troublesome undertaking, and especially numerous different elements impact the cost. Subsequently, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do your in every way that really matters own exploration. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to going with any venture choices. Torrential slide AVAX value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that torrential slide will in every practical sense accomplish a greatest cost of $16.62. As the market begins to recuperate, the truly least expected cost is $11.08, and the typical cost will generally drift around $13.85. Torrential slide AVAX value expectation 2024. As torrential slide keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, torrential slide can accomplish an essentially greatest cost of $25.86, while the truly normal cost for the year will truly remain around $23.09, which is genuinely critical. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value of AVAX can reach in 2024 is $20.32. In spite of prevalent thinking, torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2025 of every 2025. We, all things considered, anticipate that torrential slide should especially see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could especially reach as high as $35.09, averaging around $32.32 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide could in every way that really matters see a truly least cost of $29.55. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2026 with the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market. Torrential slide could arrive at a most extreme cost of $44.33 in 2026, with a genuinely normal cost of $41.56, which is genuinely critical. On the off chance that an auction happens, the genuinely least cost expected in our expectation sits at $38.79. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2027. Considering the reception of AVAX by nations all over the planet, torrential slide can guarantee a most extreme cost of $53.56 by 2027, with a truly normal cost of $50.79 anticipated in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the base cost for that very year could see $48.02. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2028 in the year 2028. Torrential slide reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto generally is digging in for the long haul. Financial backers could see AVAX arriving at a greatest cost of $62.79 by 2028, followed by an exceptionally least cost of $57.25. The kind of typical cost for 2028 is supposed to truly be $60.02. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2029 of every 2029. For the most part, because of the development throughout recent years, we will really see another significant bull, which explicitly implies that torrential slide financial backers might see AVAX sort of accomplish a greatest cost of $72.03 in a real sense, followed by a normal cost of $69.26. The base cost got from our specialized examination is $66.49. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2030 for the year 2030. AVAX is supposed to keep on revitalizing